Hello. Okay, welcome to week 14 science video. What's it called? We've got tug of war happening this week, and we're trying to demonstrate the difference in the pulling power of water and alcohol. So what you need is some tap water, half a cup, colored red or blue. And you need a sheet. You need some aluminum foil. I put mine in a cookie pan so as not to make a huge mess. And then you need an eyedropper, which I have here, and some rubbing alcohol. You just need a drop, so I had just this little cap. Anyways, you can see this is my little setup. So it's really simple. You are going to take your colored water. You're going to pour a thin layer onto your cookie sheet. It says thinner the better, so I'm going to say let's kind of spread it around a little bit. Okay? Well, okay, and then maybe just pick a section that seems to be a little bit thinner. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take a drop of rubbing alcohol and you're going to drop it onto the colored water. We've colored the water simply so it was more visible. Okay, so here we go. Okay, not a big reaction, so I'm wondering if that was just too thin, which is a good thing to talk about. So I'm going to tip this a little bit and see, maybe if I tilt it this way, if I tip it, creating a thinner spot somewhere, if we'll get a better reaction. Let's see if we can get a little bit better over here where it's thin. Oh, that's better. Okay, so having a thin layer really is important. There's supposed to be a little bit of a pulsating movement. That part's not really happening. But what you're going to want to tell your students is that there is a force that pulls, the alcohol wants to pull together towards itself and the water wants to pull towards itself. So the alcohol is sort of pulling towards the middle. The water is chasing, towards the outside. As the water moves away from the alcohol, it pulls some of the alcohol with it. It's kind of creating a pulsating movement. The water also creates a little bit of a ledge because it has a stronger force than the alcohol. So the cool thing is your kids can kind of play around with this and do it a few different times. Why not? See if you can get, oh nice, that one actually worked really, really well. I don't know if you can see, but there's a higher ridge over on this back side. So this is great. You can just have them play around, make some hypotheses, see what makes a better reaction, what makes, a less good reaction, and maybe have a little extra water on hand so that they can kind of pour and re-pour. And I would even maybe consider tinfoil on paper plates where each child can do their own experiment. Why not? Okay. That's your week 14 video. Bye.